Guys, I am at the iconic Ithra Museum. And the good thing is, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So without wasting time, let's go. Look how amazing Ithra looks, guys. This is gorgeous. So I guess these are pictures of how this entire building was built. This is probably the place where it is built on. A section called the Ithra Cinema. Wow. So they have markings to show where to go. Guys, this is a super amazing place. I mean, if you are in Saudi Arabia, especially around Al Jubail, make sure that you come here. This is a place you don't want to miss. Okay, I'm looking for something that I can take home as a souvenir from Ithra. So I'm just looking around and I'll let you know if I find something. So this is a souvenir shop I found. Let me see if I can take something back home. I found a coin of the Ithra Museum. I'm planning to take this. This is 30 real. This is 30 real. I'm planning to buy this. This is a pencil. Pen box actually. Such an amazing box. Okay, so I bought this coin. It costs 30 real and it's a great souvenir. Okay, so they did not have the small coin, so I bought the larger one. Let me show you the one that I bought. This is the bigger one. It costs 40 real. We are done. This is the bill. So my brother is paying for all the shopping right now. And I guess that's okay. I like buying souvenirs wherever I go. This is the one I got from Ithra. Basically, one more addition to my Saudi Arabia set of souvenirs. But if you know me, you know that I love buying souvenirs. This is one of them. They should have something like this in the Indian monument places also. This is a good initiative where they have something inside a museum. You can avail of the Ithra membership. I do not know much about it right now. I'll put the details in the description of my video in case you are interested. Okay, so now we are going to the other section. Look how beautiful the ceiling is, guys. I've made it to the library section. You can see all the books related to the Saudi Arabian culture, their history, and their modernization. By the way, this is King Abdulaziz. The museum is named after him. How vast the museum is, guys. It's amazing. Hoping to catch this live. Vinay is alive at Ithra. It's a new experience they are offering here. Guys, I and Jazil had an unmissable opportunity to meet and even click pictures with a very popular band called Yavan. So now we are going to attend their live performance and it's going to happen in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so I don't understand Arabic, but the music was mesmerizing. I didn't understand a single word, but the feel was amazing and I loved the music. This is the fountain area, guys. Look at the kids. They are having the time of their life. I'll tell you that. No, you like karaoke, no? Look at these beautiful flowers here. They're made it so beautifully. It's so well made, basically. Such a well structured building. Look at the lighting. Wow. This is a massive, massive place. Let me tell you that. Alright guys, so I had a lot of fun at the Ithra Museum, and I would highly recommend that if you are visiting Saudi Arabia, do visit this place. It's out of the world, it's stunning, and it's an experience that you don't want to miss. But if you don't want to pay around 35 real, what you can do is access free places that are available to general public, and you can go and have a ball of a time. Trust me, there's an ongoing exhibition right now which includes musicians, some popular musicians playing here, which we had a chance to attend. But if you are coming on other times, trust me, it's still worth it. And what you can do is when you are in Al Jubail or near Al Jubail, you can book a ticket in advance and visit this place and have an experience. So this is it from the Ithra Museum. This is Vinay Patel signing off. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Look how magnificent this building looks. Oh wow, look at that, guys.